Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device, so basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts and backup. As you can see, under it we've got whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and backup. So let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on manage accounts. Now let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. Now let's tap on next, and your device will autofill it. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, just tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so you can pick whichever option you'd like to. I will stick with this one. And here we actually can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And here, if you've got any kind of screen lock, so the pattern, PIN or password, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So let's tap on continue. I forgot about that. And as you can see, our Google account immediately disappears from this list. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.